I will be showing you how the controls of our charging station work. So first, so we can see, I'm going to turn on the light. We have the Nanoline base unit here, and we're using the Nanoline logic controllers, and attached to it is the GSM communication module. We have a terminal block, a circuit breaker, one voltage and one current sensor, and you can see those two items right there. Underneath we have a couple more relays and another terminal block, and we have an inverter. We have a charge controller, and we have a light so we can see. We also have additional modules if we would like to add on to make another terminal. So what the first thing it does is it asks you a question, and that question is the batteries have enough power to be able to charge an electric bike? And it knows the answer to that question by first going to the voltage sensor, and that senses the voltage in our batteries, which are right in this tub, and I can show you in a second. So this is how we would ever get to our batteries. We can post that up and tilt this up, and we can look into it. As I was saying, these are our batteries down here. We have a solar charge controller to prevent the batteries from being overcharged by the solar panels, and we have our clamps leading to the Nanoline, which is ran off of our batteries, and we have all the outlets and stuff being ran off our batteries. The voltage sensor first reads the batteries, and it tells the Nanoline that, okay, you're good to go, or no, you're not good to go, and that will be displayed on the message, either saying, please put in your password, or the station cannot charge your bike. So then the next step would be, if you have the green light, put your password in. So you put your password in as Mike has shown you, and as Andrew has shown you, and then you go to the starting the charging. The starting the charging it goes by this analog output turns on the terminal right here, and then you plug your bike into that as it says, and it starts to, and then it goes to turn on a relay, and that relay turns on the second sensor down there, and that's a current sensor. That sensor reads how much current is going to our batteries of the bike. So it's reading how much current is running from the station's batteries to the bike batteries. Once that reads that it can no longer current is going to the bike, that means that your bike is charged, and it sends out a message to your phone. But if the voltage sensor says that we can no longer charge your station while your bike is being charged, it sends out a message to your phone saying that sorry, we can no longer charge your bike, and it waits until it has enough power, enough voltage in the batteries of our station to resume charging your station, resume charging your bike. We also have the ability to have the message, these values being sent to your phone, as Mike has demonstrated, and that is by moving the two analog values to a register, which then we send to our phones, and that allows you to see, say if you're in the market or something, that how much more time it will take for your batteries to charge, or say if you're the owner of the station, how much more time, how much voltage is in your station if it's usable.